This is the gardening video for June 19th. The daylilies are blooming like crazy, so this is getting to be the time of year where we have all these blooms. I guess you might call it the height of the garden. Although these daylilies are pretty mashed like this, but it's really hard to grow them with other things because they just take over. I don't know what this is. It's just getting ready to bloom. It looks like I was going to say a black-eyed Susan or an echinacea. And this euro, you can see it's getting ready to bloom. It'll be pink. It's a pink cushion flower. This is a nice hardy lily. I don't even know what this one is. Huh. This is Stachy's byzantia, and when it blooms, you can see it's getting ready to, it'll have blue flowers. So it's nice and pretty. It volunteered there in the middle of the path like that, so I'm just going to leave it until probably in the spring. It's so hard to move things in other times than spring. You have to be home every day to water it, for one thing, and we're just not home every day, Samia. And it doesn't look like it's going to bloom this year, at least it hasn't yet. No, I don't remember when it blooms. It bloomed last year. This is catnip up against it. This is yellow twig dogwood. My older, we cut it down sometimes so things around it can grow. Because it's a nice big bush if you just let it grow. I don't know what this is. That's more the yellow twig dogwood maybe. Many years ago, before people had trash pickup, they couldn't burn their broken pottery, so there was no place to put it. So they came up with all kinds of creative ways to get rid of it. A lot of times it would be in the garden, like right here. And other times it might be just down the outhouse. And archaeologists love to find the location of where outhouses were a couple hundred years ago, because there's a lot of things that get tossed down there because there's really just no other place to dispose of things. But a lot of the broken crockery would go in their flower garden if they had one. This turkey platter here is actually special because it belonged to my wife's grandmother, and she didn't want to throw it away, so we ended up putting it out here because we couldn't use it broken. And of course out here it got walked on again and broken even farther, but at least we didn't throw it away. Looks like this torch lily is just about done. These look like seeds, I bet. All these spent flowers here. These are spent flowers here. These are ones that are blooming. And these are ones that are going to be blooming. These look like they're phlox that are getting ready to bloom. These lilies over here are blooming. Look at that. Here's this front flower bed that gets full sun all day long that I've been working on. Take the poppies out because they bloom early in the spring and then they die back for the rest of the year. So I'm putting in sedums. They love the full sun. These thick-leaf plants can survive. So I'm going to take out, been gradually taking out everything else. Today I cut the poppies down because they're done blooming for the year. And right here, this is the new growth that will be next year's plant. You can see it's already started, and underneath the hibiscus here. And I just cut down the taller plant from the current year. And you can see the growth for next year that's come along after I just cut these here down. This is yellow primrose, Onothera speciosa, I don't know. And this says Alyssum Summit, and it's in the full sun, so I hope it's happy. This is hibiscus, has flowers bigger than your outstretched hand. And underneath of it, right here, is ice plant. This hibiscus has these woody stems, but it dies back to the ground, and then it comes back out of the ground. So it grows new woody stems every year. So I need to, like here's this one's this year. So this would be a hard woody stem that will die back this fall. So I probably could cut them closer to the ground when I do cut them. And this geranium is so nice. And the little blue flowers back there are geranium also. It's just one single plant this big. This here is getting ready to bloom is a lemon lily. It's a hemerocallis, like a daylily, where this is yellow. I don't know how these lilies survive back in here. Wouldn't think there'd be enough light. Look at this one. That's a nice perfumey one too. I ate a bunch of raspberries this morning. Looks like there's more already. Or maybe I just didn't see them then. They're very good. Guess these are not quite ready. I know I didn't see these this morning yet. A quick and easy way to tell if your soil needs water is, I like to weed with a hand hoe a lot of times because you have to, if you're going close and have to see what you're doing. If you go like that and it's not moist underneath, then you need water. I've been watering quite a bit lately, but we finally had rain yesterday, but it wasn't a whole lot. But yeah, you can see underneath of the soil it's damp, so maybe we won't have to water today. So thanks for watching, and I hope you liked that video today. And if you did, please give me a thumbs up that you like it, and subscribe to this channel. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.